In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Dragon's Dogma 2024. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to do a quick rundown of all the versions of Dragon's Dogma 2 available and talk about which platforms they are going to be released on in the current year. You will be able to find all of this information up to date when you visit their website, so if you want the most accurate information possible, I highly recommend that you open a web browser on your computer or your phone and you go to dragonsdogma.com. In here, there is a whole page filled with information about the game, about the story, about the combat, and you will be able to browse through all of it. If you click pre-order or buy at the top right corner of the screen, you will see the platforms in which the game is available. So currently, in this page, they list the game as being available on PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X or S, and Steam. So, respectively, PlayStation, Xbox, and PC. When you choose any of these options, you will see that they have the standard edition of the game, which includes the base game and some pre-order bonuses if you purchase the game on pre-order, and the deluxe edition, which of course contains the base game and then a bunch of goodies that you can see details for here. So they are items that you will be using inside of the game. I won't read through all of them, but you can feel free to pause the video or to visit the page to get more information regarding these bonuses. Now, when you click on the PlayStation Store at the bottom, the Xbox Store, or the Steam Store, you will be redirected to the respective page for the game. So I'm just going to open all of them, and as you might expect, you will be able to purchase and play the game officially through any of these storefronts. It is going to be a digital copy, and once the game is available, you will be ready to download and play. So here it is for the PlayStation Store, the Microsoft Store, and Steam. So it is roughly $70 for all regions of the world. You will be able to see all the details about the game. You can see the hardware necessary if you are playing on PC, or the necessary items or subscriptions for online play for consoles, and everything is going to be laid out for you. All the info if you want to acquire the game on any of these digital storefronts. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Dragon's Dogma in 2024. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.